Ever wondered why some beginners on YouTube, small creators, hardly makes reasonable amount of money on the platform? In this video, I'm going to analyze the reasons why that happened and what you can do as a small creator to earn more money, irrespective of the size of your channel. Number one reason why some small creators make less amount of money on YouTube. Maybe they struggle to make at least maybe they struggle to make at least $2 in a day. The reason, number one reason, is because they are still new on the platform. So they don't have any much content that are being distributed to more people to give them more revenue in return. All right. Number two is the choice of niche. Some beginners come to YouTube without knowing that there are niches that pay more than the other. So that makes them to struggle to earn reasonable amount of money, even if they have a lot of views coming to their channel. Three is lack of information. Some beginners on YouTube lack information because they are new. So some are busy creating shorts instead of creating long-form videos. So because of this, they struggle to make money because shorts pay less. And that's why I say that information is very important, irrespective of wherever you find yourself. So that's where I'm going to end it. So if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we teach a lot on technology, YouTube tips, and self-publishing. So look into all these things and know how to improve in your content creation. Be patient while you create more valuable content. Thank you and see you some other time.